بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
This bichara old man, in his attire and his attachment to deen, now he went to the mandi and he went to go and buy some fruit. Bichara, he just had one of those readies, carts, and all he used to do, he used to buy a couple of those betiyan, like boxes, and he would just go sell his things for the day. Whatever profit he had, he would then use that profit then to provide for his family for his daily food. Bichara, he went to the mandi, and what happened was that he opened this peti dabba and he saw that on top, mashallah, it's all fine. You take one, you have a look, chalo theek hai bhai, how much is this? This much. So he purchased it. Now what happens is he goes to his normal place where he puts his cart, and he tips the apples upside down, and he sees that only one layer is fine and the rest all gone. This is the condition of Muslims, Allah. He bichara hold his hands, he goes, Ya Allah, main bahut gareeb aadmi hu. Allahu Akbar. That dard he came bichara, one box, and he fraud, har taraf se fraud ka nizam chal raha hai, is killing our people. There's no ihsas that mere Nabi ne kya kaha, what did my Nabi say? Bichara, he hold his hand, Ya Allah, main bahut gareeb aadmi, Ya Allah, main kal ke liye kya karunga, Ya Allah, what am I going to do for tomorrow? Bechne wala ko bhi pata hai, he knows that in this I'm going to steal someone's roti for the day. I'm going to take someone's luqma out of their mouth. Bichara, he has young daughters, young sons. Old man, bichara. But this thought did not come in his heart that, look, I shouldn't do doka to this man because my Allah is watching. Allah ka khauf nikal gaya, is gone from the ummah. Bichara, now these sorts of du'as of these people, if azab is not going to come, then what is going to come to the ummah?
اللهم اكفني بحلالك عن حرامك وأغنني